Hello everyone. So today we're going to draw some French fries in a box, and this French fry is going to have like a smile and a face and arms and legs. So it's kind of a silly French fry. So first we're going to start out with the box for the French fry. So we're going to just come across like this and then kind of slightly curve in just like that, and then slightly curve in on the other side, and then just join it at the bottom. It's a real simple shape. So next we're going to go ahead and add our arms and legs. We're going to add arm and then 3 little fingers, and then other side, 3 fingers on this side too. And then for our legs, just going to come out like that, and we're just going to add these little feet on the bottom. All right, so next we'll go and do our face for our French fry. So we're going to make 2 big eyes, real big eyes, 2 big circles. And then for the eyes, we're going to have like a little, so it's going to be like a little white area there. Kind of make him look kind of cute, like that. And then we're going to give him a smile. All right, so next is going to be the French fries. French fries are kind of like a hair for the French fry guy. So we're just gonna have all these little, kind of like just little rectangles coming out the top. And we're gonna just make them different sizes. And kind of have, some coming out the back as well. So kind of like overlapping a little bit. We can kind of have them like, coming out diagonally. Because the French fries that you buy don't, they're not in there perfectly. So just like that. All right, so next we're going to go ahead and outline our drawing with our black marker. So we'll start with a smile, and then we'll go ahead and do the eyes. So we're going to just trace around that little circle, and then we're going to color it in with our black marker. Color in the eyes with the black marker. Look at a cute little French fry here. And then we'll go and do the same with the other eye. And color that in. All right, and then we'll go ahead and do our box. And our little legs. And then our arms and fingers. All right, and then lastly, our little French fries at the top. Our French fry hair for our French fry guy. All right, so next we'll go ahead and erase all of our pencil lines before we color this guy. for the French fries, we're going to just use this bright yellow color. Okay, and for the box, I'm going to use kind of like a reddishy, like kind of like a red-orange color. It's going to trace around the whole entire edge before I start coloring in. And I'll go ahead and trace around the eyes too, because we have that white part. We don't want that to get any red in his eye. All right, let me just go ahead and color. The rest of the box. Okay, and that's it. So that's how you draw a French fry guy with some French fries for hair and a happy smile. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have several videos on my page and many more to come. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.